If you think 1 John 3:9 was difficult exegetically, 3:10 gives real pause as we look at our understanding of sanctification. And are we going to take this verse seriously? En tuto phanera estin, ta tekna tu theou, kai ta tekna tu diabolou. Pas ha me poion dikaiasune, uk estin, ek tu theou, kai ha me agapon ton adelphon autou. In this, and this idiom in this case is pointing forward, for this reason, the children of God are revealed, and the children of the devil. Okay, what is that reason? Everyone who does not do righteousness. Okay, so you have ha poion is your substantival participle with a negation put in there. So everyone who does not do righteousness is not of God, and the not loving his brother. But you will notice before we go to phrasing that you have a singular verb, plural subject, but it's neuter, plural, neuter. So singular verb, neuter plural subjects, because they're looking at this group as a singular unit. Okay, so let's phrase it. For this reason is revealed. Again, I put a tab here because I want the parallelism to be very clear. You have the children of God and the children of the devil. Be a new line. So let's move these things where they make sense. So there's your parallelism, and you have the children of God and the children of Satan, of the devil. So what's the reason that the in tuto is pointing to? Well, second half of the verse, everyone who does not do righteousness, that person is not from God and does not love his brother. So you have two qualifications for the person who does not do righteousness. Number one, he's not from God. And secondly, he doesn't love his brother. So, this is theologically very, very important. How do we know who are the children of God and who are the children of the devil? It's easy. If someone does not do righteousness, I don't think it means you have to be perfect, but the person who is living in a trajectory moving towards greater and greater righteousness, would be one way to say it. If you're not doing that, then you're not from God. Now, how do we treat these people in our churches? Do we realize that if someone is living in constant, unrepentant sin, do we say, well, he raised his hand when he was 13? No, that's not what John says. He said if someone who is not living in righteousness, at least going that direction, he's not of God. And in fact, that person doesn't love his brother. In other words, you're not part of the loving covenantal community. Now, I know this is a very hot theological topic, but as I like to say, this has to mean something. What does it mean?